Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Invoice Simple, one of the easiest tools to create and send professional invoices. Even if you have never made one before, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up your account, create your first invoice, and get paid faster. Let's jump in. Invoice Simple is a mobile and web-based app for freelancers, small business owners, and service providers. With it, you can create invoices and estimates, accept payments, track what's paid or overdue, send reminders, and even customize your brand. Let's start by signing up. Go to invite invoice simple.com and download the app from Play Store or App Store. Sign up with your email or use Google Apple. Then click try it free button from the right side, then click agree and continue. Enter name here, invoice name here, like invoice 1. Once you are in, here's what you'll see: dashboard, invoices and estimates, clients and items, settings, etc. First of all, click sign up, then enter your first and last name, enter your email address, and create a strong password and check this box and click sign up. Now you are in the dashboard. Now you will land your dashboard, head to settings, then business details. Here you can add your business name, business number, business owner name, address line, email, phone number, mobile, website, etc. Or also add your logo. This information will appear on every invoices. Make it look clean and professional. Now go back to invoices, click new invoice, and enter a name of invoice number. Here's how to fill it: invoice number auto generated, but editable. Due and date and due date, pick your terms, need 7, 15, 30, etc. Bill to, client name, email, address, phone, mobile, etc. Choose an existing client or add a new one. Items and services. Add what you are billing for, name, rate, quantity, taxes. And add notes, terms, or payment instructions at the bottom. Use templates and save. saved items to save, use templates and saved items to save time in future. Once your invoice look good, click preview. To double check, hit send via email, PDF or shareable link. The client receives a professional invoice with a payment button. You will be notified when they open the invoice, make a payment, or if it goes overdue. This is great for tracking and follow up. Go to the Clients tab or from More button. Add client information, clicking by New Client. Enter name, email, secondary email, address, phone, mobile, or fax. Then hit Save. Now go to Items, click New Items, then write a description, item description, then save your product details. This saved entries help you build invoices faster and with fewer errors. You can also create estimates, quotes, send to email, send to clients before doing the job. If accepted, convert it to an invoice in one click. Receipts for fully paid invoices. Payment reminders enable automatic follow-ups for overdue invoices. Everything is tracked inside your dashboard so nothing falls through the cracks. And that's how you use Invoice Simple in 2025. Quick recap: set up your business information, create and send invoices in minutes, track payments and send reminders, save clients and services for quick billing, use estimates and receipts to stay professional. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more small business tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.